For today's lesson, we're going to be working with context clues. Context clues are words that surround an unknown word. They don't have to be in the same sentence, but they give you hints or clues about what an unknown word might be. And readers often use context clues to figure out words that they don't know, because good readers read books that have words in them that they don't know the meanings of. And this is one strategy they use to figure out the meanings of those words. And again, the context clues don't have to be in the same sentence, but they're usually in the same paragraph or really close, the same section as the unknown word. You have a sheet that's attached to Classroom, and it has a bunch of vocabulary words. The vocabulary word is in bold, and then I've provided you the definition. And you're going to come up with a sentence that has the vocabulary word and context clues. Sometimes it might be more than one sentence. So I gave you an example here with the word cautious, which is your first vocabulary word. And that means to be very careful or plan things ahead. And I gave you an example. Luke was very cautious, so I included the vocab word in my sentence, when he stepped on the kitchen floor. Once it creaked, he ran upstairs and waited to see if anyone heard his footsteps. So the here, ran upstairs and waited to see if anyone heard his footsteps, are the context clues to help you with cautious. I could have also written a sentence similar to this. Luke was very cautious and careful. And careful would be my context clues when cleaning the house. So you can just use one of these words in the definitions, which are kind of synonyms, as your context clue like I did here, or you can provide a longer example. You don't have to use among the hidden as your example for your sentences that you're going to make up on your own. You can, or you can use your reading book, or you can just create any creative sentence. So your other words that you're going to look at are timid, and I gave you the definition there, scared, nervous, and hesitant. Reckless, not careful, act without thinking. Rebellious, breaks rules or expectations, is daring. And the last one is optimistic, and it goes on to the next page, and the definition there is a positive outlook or view on life or events in life. And so you're going to use the vocab word. I put my vocab word in bold. You could do that, or you can underline it, or you could just leave it. But you have to have the vocab word, and then some context clues, which could be a word from the definition, or it could be an example. I don't want you to just say Luke was very cautious and careful. Like, you need to provide a little bit more of this sentence. So that is your assignment for today. And you do want to submit this to Classroom. A copy is going to automatically be saved to your drive because you will need to use it to review with again. All right, have a great day.